Hey, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a get ready with me. Honestly, I'm not even getting ready to do anything. I'm just doing my makeup to take it back off and then go to bed. I did this look for H.E.R concert and I didn't get a chance to record it because I was kind of like rushing in a bit, like I always am. I'm never on time. It's okay for Ariana Grande concert though. I will be on time because I said this in like a Black Friday haul or something that I'm gonna make a video using the Smoke Sessions palette by Melt, and I used it and it's really great. Okay, I'm gonna be doing my eyes first because that's how I function. Okay, I'm back. My eyebrows. Ooh, wait, on the camera they actually look really good. Okay, brows. Okay, first eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use Fenty's eyeshadow primer. What is this, Pro Filter or something like that? Yeah, Pro Filter eyeshadow primer. You know, I have mascara right now, just so you know. That's why I look weird. But I've been wearing it all day, and guess what? I'm not taking it off until I take off my makeup, so. I like my first shade is from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. It's this one right here. I use this one, so if you can find any shade that's like similar to that, then you can start off with that. Okay, so we're just gonna take it and we're just gonna dust it all over. Okay, all over, like everywhere. And this could also be like my video on how to blend. Let's say that your eyeshadow primer is like more sticky than you wanted it to be. Literally what I'm doing is how you blend it, rather than going like this, because it'll, if you do it like that, it'll like kind of stay in one place depending on your brush and everything. So yeah, for the most part, that's what I do for right now. You would blend by stamping it. You could blend going into circles. Honestly, blending is how your hand moves. That's what I'm gonna say. That's literally how it's gonna work for you. How your hand moves, and also what you have on your eyelid. I know you can use concealer, but I'm not a concealer person. Every time I use concealer, it ends up creasing on my eyes. Does it crease anywhere else? Just my eyes. And my eyes, like, yeah. Whoa! That's sticky. Okay, let's calm this down. I need to see something. I need to lower my camera. But yeah, that's the first shade. That's like, so all the others don't look muddy in a way. Y'all, these eyeshadows in the Melt one are just so like delicate. These are super delicate. So I'm going low. I cut pretty high, because like I said, my eye just. Why does my tongue? Okay, but we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna stay on the blue side. So like there's like copper, green, blue over here, and then there's the pretty side, okay? So first one we're gonna start with is Sweet Tooth, and that's this one right here. And we're gonna put that in the middle. Why do I work in the middle? Because that's how I did it. Oh, I guess I could talk about my life, I guess, in a way, in a sense, whatever. I don't know, nothing's happening right now. I'm actually planning on doing some pretty exciting things that I've been wanting to do since I was like really little, so it's the fact that I can actually do it now. It's pretty exciting, like, because the internet and social media is just so much bigger than what it was before, so it's like doing it is more possible than what it was when I was like 12. Okay, next I'm gonna go into Mean Green. It's this one, the darker green. We're gonna go on the outside. But yeah, I'm about to do it. I'm not gonna use the same name though when I was little, but I'm gonna use the same name that I made up a while ago, and no one's going to stop me. Cause it's mine. It's literally my name. Well, it's not my name, but you know what I'm saying. Like, I created the name. No one else had the name. It's mine to stay. Matter of fact, I need to go ahead and claim that Instagram handle. Okay. I'm excited about that. I'm not gonna say what it is because every time I talk about something, I know people are like, put it in the universe, it's gonna happen for you. But for me, it doesn't work like that all the time. So I'm more realistic and I don't tell anybody anything of what I'm doing until I actually do it. So no one's like keep questioning like, what happened to this? What happened? I don't know what happened to it. How about you let me know? Like, leave me alone. What if I change my mind? Then I have to like dedicate to whatever. I'm gonna take another brush and we're gonna go into Blue Dream. If you watch my Black Friday haul, you know that's like the reason why I bought this whole palette. And I don't regret it one bit. It's like the most fragile out of all of them though. Ugh. I wish they didn't sell out. I would have bought another one. You see that? Oh! Did I do an eyeliner? I know I did eyeliner, but did I do it? But 2019, you know, so far, it's okay. You know, still dealing with myself. I'm still just trying to live whatever life it is. I hate life. And no one can tell me different. You can't sit here and tell me you don't feel me. That, I mean, don't tell me what I feel. I hate when people tell me that, like, don't tell me what I feel. You are not me. Even if you went through the same thing, supposedly, we are two different people and I'm experiencing a whole nother way than you are, or whatever it is, you know? Like, sure, you can help me or whatever, but at the same time, you're not me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just can't deal with it. But things that are coming up in 2019 for me, other than something I'm not going to talk about. Hold on. Okay, and then we're gonna go into Space Queen, which is this dark blue. We're gonna go on the outside. Actually, no, Sour Diesel is the color next to it. You already saw it, so I'm not playing it again. We're going on the outside because then I darken it with Space Queen. But yeah. I'm going to see Ariana Grande and the Sweetener tour. Like, oh my gosh. What? Are you serious? I'm so serious. I'm so excited to see her. I'm so excited. Me and my friend Savannah, we got tickets on the floor. On the floor. I've never been, well, I've been on the floor, but not like, this is your designated seat floor. I've been on the floor like, it's general admission. If you get to the front, you know, shout out to you. But if not, you know, should have got here earlier. That's basically what I mean. But it's actually my seat on the floor, and I'm just so excited. Because I didn't see her last time she came, and that was during Dangerous Woman, and ugh. Still so upset because literally people I was working with went, and I was like, I've been trying to find someone to go with me for a while now. You went? Like, ugh, whatever. This is not as sharp as last time. I think I'm not using the same brushes. Pretty sure I'm not using the same brushes. Whatever. Then I'm gonna blend it. Why? Because it's already messed up. And yeah. I'm just gonna show you one eye because I think showing you like one eye is easier. There's this eye, like the eyeshadow part, and then I'll get to like the extras and my lashes. So I'll be back. But if you are watching my live stream, which no one is right now, but there were people, but I think I was taking too long on my eyebrows, which is relatable and understandable. But yeah, you would see me actually do my other eye and me talk about nothing. So yeah, we are back. They're almost done, you know. Next, we're going to put my eyeliner on the waterline. Full size the green, Harper's blue. I'm gonna use Harper because I did green last time, and you know, switch it up sometimes. the Fenty fly liner, you know. I feel like it's drying out on me. I don't know. Because when I first got it, it was pretty bomb. And I was like, Did I go back to Kat Von D? Hers was pretty bomb. Like, see, it's not as black. It used to be. Once upon a time, it was really black. And I was like, whoa. Ooh, comment below your comments on this R. Kelly thing, because you know, like, the whole thing isn't a shock to me because men in the music industry anyways are just all pervs. But what shocks me is that, like, some of these songs that I grew up to are by him, and I'm like, I never knew that. So it's like, dang, I really have to stop listening to these now. I mean, I don't have to, but am I going to? Yeah. You know. And I'm gonna use this brush that I use for Blue Dream. And we're gonna go back into this, and we are gonna go into, like, Sour Diesel. And we're gonna, like, buff it. Well, actually, no, we're gonna go into Space Clean, because Space Clean's cuter. Okay, we got the eyes, the eyebrows. Right, okay, so we got that eyeliner on. I put, in the corners, I put Gravity OG, this one, in it. So it's like kind of green, but it looks like gold, basically. Anyways, I'm gonna put on my lashes. I just want to show y'all my lashes so I can put them on. I'm using, oh, these are dirty. I'm using Morph's lashes and these. Yep. What are these called? Go on and fake it like that. I remember I bought 2 of these on accident, and I gave it to someone. I don't remember who I gave it to. Can I have those back? That's just what this what the lash gonna look like, and then I'm gonna be back with, like, the slow-mo and everything, and then I'm gonna please y'all out. And I'm gonna show you my lip color. But yeah, isn't it cute? Hold on. Okay, let me finish. I just saw the whole eye look up close, and it was not the best. When I first did it, it was really good. I feel like when I do my makeup on camera, it doesn't end up how it used to be every time, but whatever. And then my hair is also curly when I went to the concert, but I have straight hair right now. Yeah. So yeah. This lipstick that I'm wearing came with the Smoke Sessions collection. Oh gosh, it got dirty. Came with the Smoke Sessions collection, so it's this one. You can't really see it, but it is Velvet Room. This is the swatch. Nothing more. Hold on, wait. I hate the butt part. That makes me so mad. Okay. I love their formulas of their liquid lipsticks. They Melt Cosmetics, please just, like, repost me on your Instagram, and that's all that I want, because you know that I keep buying from y'all. Even when I almost have everything, I just need like 3 more stacks of y'all, and then I need to restock all the other colors that I came out, like Gemini, and I'll have everything. But you know that I tag y'all a lot. Just repost me. You ain't gotta pay me, ain't gotta send me nothing. You know, if you want to one day, I will definitely be emailing you everything. I'm gonna send you more than one location and stuff too. Like you know that you see Taylor pop up a lot in your orders, and you know that it's me. But yeah, you guys, this is it. This was supposed to be my concert look, but you know my lipstick started messing up. Actually, it started bleeding because I didn't put a lip liner, and I still did it right now, but I'm gonna take it off so it doesn't matter. But I did put a lip liner on, so it started bleeding because I was eating too. And I hate when I do this when I eat before I do my makeup. I mean, after I do my makeup, and then just mess on my lip thing, and then I just end up putting on lip gloss, and the lip gloss did not look as cute as this. Like this is it. I didn't even put bronzer or anything on here. It didn't do much. I don't even think there's anything on here anymore. But yeah, this is it, you guys. Thanks for watching the first video of 2019. You know, we talked about some things. Hopefully you watch the live stream so you can see me do all the extra stuff that I didn't do on camera. Hopefully, if not, you know, at least watch this one to the end. My goal for 2019 for social media wise, I want to get to at least 5K, but really 10K on Instagram by the end of the year, and also I want to get to 1K on YouTube. So that's how you know, like, those are my goals for social media. Those are the two main things that I use, is YouTube and Instagram anyways. Like, if you look on my little thing, Instagram is always the top, and I don't even know why Instagram is so high, but it is. It's Instagram and Twitter, and then it goes downhill from that. But yeah, you guys, that's not the picture I said, but whatever. I'm glad that you watched. If you watched, comment below the R. Kelly thing. Comment below your least favorite season. My least favorite season is definitely summer. It's too hot. I don't even like going outside, and I don't. What else? I don't know, just talk about something. Let's be friends. Follow me on Instagram at Violet Eclipse, Violet.Eclipse. Subscribe, like, comment, because I want to talk to y'all. You know, I get on YouTube and I just watch other people's videos, but nobody wants to talk to me on my videos, and I'm pretty cool, you know. I'll LOL and LMFAO with you, whatever. Yeah. Hope you like it. Tell me what your favorite thing about this video is. Tell me your YouTube goals or your Instagram goals or whatever goals you have for, or whatever goals that you have for 2019. You know, that's all I'm telling y'all about mine. Because if I talk like I did last year, I had like a whole video, and after that, like literally after I posted that, everything just went downhill. I hope you like it. Go ahead and do everything I said, and I'll see you later. Bye. Bye. I'll see you next time I post.